Meteorite's origin. The Allende meteorite, discovered in Mexico in 1969, contains organic matter identical to that of Earth. It's believed to originate from an asteroid that collided with Earth about 250,000 years ago. The largest iceberg ever recorded, B-15, broke away from Antarctica in 2000, spanning about 112 miles long, 19 miles wide, and 600 to 980 feet thick. The Moon has a cold dark side and a warmer side facing Earth. But why is the far side almost completely covered in craters? Galileo Galilei made the first astronomical observations with an improved telescope in 1609, revealing craters on the Moon, the phases of Venus, and moons orbiting Jupiter. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird, reaching speeds over 240 miles per hour during its hunting dive. Diamond is the hardest natural material on Earth, but graphene, a form of carbon, can outperform it in strength. Ancient Greek theater, originating in 534 BCE, showcased plays that combined music, dance, and dialogue, performed in elaborate open-air theaters. The Olduvai Gorge in Tanzania has yielded stone tools, some older than 2.6 million years, used by early human ancestors for cutting and scraping. Lithium, the lightest metal, is used in batteries, including those for electric vehicles, and its atoms are so light they're only 6.94 grams per mole. Neutron stars are extremely dense celestial objects formed from a collapsed core of a massive star, only 20 kilometers in diameter, but with a mass 1.4 times that of the Sun. The Danish-Prussian War of 1864 lasted only 2 months and 21 days, making it the shortest war in European history, ending in a decisive Prussian victory. Globally averaged, Venus's polar regions are the coldest places in our solar system, with temperatures dropping below -150 degrees Celsius. The Moon's largest dark areas, called Maria, were formed around 3.5 billion years ago, when volcanic eruptions filled lunar basins with cool, solidified basalt. Neutron stars are incredibly dense remnants of massive stars that explode, forming a sphere just larger than a city, with a mass greater than our Sun. Rafflesia arnoldi, the world's largest flower, blooms in the rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia, releasing a pungent odor to attract pollinators. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, shows 2 distinct colors, bright white when it's at its greatest eastern or western elongation, and a sickle shape when it's crescent, due to phases of illumination. The Armillaria osteae fungus, known as the humongous fungus, spans over 2,200 acres in Oregon, USA, making it the largest known living organism. The bee hummingbird is the smallest bird, weighing just 2 grams, and standing only 5 centimeters tall. Found in Cuba, African cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching up to 75 miles per hour when chasing prey, thanks to their long, slender limbs and efficient heart. In 1609, Galileo Galilei observed the moons of Jupiter with the newly invented telescope, confirming that there were celestial bodies orbiting another celestial body. The largest magnet ever discovered, called the Maglev magnet, is a 1,000-ton neodymium magnet, located at the National High Magnetic Field Laboratory in Florida, the most distant known place from Earth. Quasar J00142 plus 3425 is about 13.2 billion light-years away, and its light has been traveling since the universe was only 3% of its current age. Giant squids are masters of disguise, changing color and texture to blend in with their environment, to evade predators. Aerogel, the lightest solid material known, weighs only around 1.2 grams per liter, making it almost as light as air.